Welcome back to English with Confidence. I'm really happy to see you again. Today we are going to talk about something that can completely transform your life. We are not going to discuss complicated grammar rules or difficult vocabulary. Instead, we are going to learn the real secret behind becoming fluent in English. Many students believe that speaking fluent English is a special talent. They think only intelligent people or people who study in English medium schools can become fluent. But let me tell you something very important. That is not true. Fluency is not a gift. It is a habit. Every fluent English speaker you admire today started exactly where you are. They also struggled to remember words. They also made grammar mistakes. They also felt nervous while speaking. The only difference is that they never stopped practicing. So if you have ever thought, my English is weak, or I don't have confidence, forget those thoughts from today. Because by the end of this journey, I want you to believe one simple sentence. If someone else can become fluent in English, I can too. Now let's understand what fluency really means. Many people think fluency means speaking fast. They try to speak very quickly because they believe speed is fluency. But that is one of the biggest misunderstandings. Real fluency means expressing your ideas naturally. It means speaking without translating every sentence in your mind. It means understanding English comfortably and replying with confidence. You don't need to know 50,000 words. You don't need perfect grammar in every sentence. You simply need regular practice and the right learning method. Imagine learning to ride a bicycle. The first day feels difficult. You lose balance. You become nervous. Sometimes you even fall. But after practicing every day, something amazing happens. One day you ride the bicycle without thinking. Speaking English works in exactly the same way. First, your brain works very hard. You search for words. You think about grammar. You stop in the middle of a sentence. But after enough practice, English becomes automatic. That is fluency. Now you may ask, how long will it take me? The answer is different for everyone. Some people improve in 6 months. Some take 1 year. Some need a little longer. But remember this. The person who practices every day will always improve faster than the person who studies only once a week. Consistency always wins. Now let me share the first secret to becoming fluent. Secret number 1. Think in English. Most learners make the same mistake. Whenever they want to speak, they first create the sentence in their native language. Then they translate it into English. This process is slow and confusing. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Don't start with long sentences. Start with simple thoughts. When you wake up in the morning, say, "Good morning. I feel fresh. Today will be a productive day." When you drink water, think, "I am drinking water." When you leave your house, "I am going to work. I am going to college. I am walking." These small thoughts may seem simple, but they create a powerful habit. Your brain slowly begins to accept English as a natural language instead of a school subject. The more you think in English, the less you translate. And the less you translate, the more fluent you become. Now let's move to another powerful habit. Secret number 2. Build small daily conversations. Many students wait How are you today? What are your plans? What did you eat for breakfast? Then answer those questions in English. Don't worry if your answers are short. Even one sentence is enough. Every conversation builds confidence. Every answer trains your brain. Every practice session makes you stronger. Remember, confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes because of speaking. The more you speak, the more confident you become. So never wait until you feel confident. Start speaking first. Confidence will follow. And this brings us to an important truth. Fluent English is not built in one day. It is built one sentence at a time, one conversation at a time, one practice session at a time. Every single day you become just a little better than yesterday. And one day, without even realizing it, You look back and smile because the English that once felt impossible has become a natural part of your life. So stay with me because in the next part, we're going to discover practical habits that fluent English speakers use every single day. These simple techniques can help you improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, listening skills, and confidence much faster than you might imagine. Let's continue this journey together. Secret number 3, stop memorizing, start using. Now let me tell you about one of the biggest mistakes that English learners make. They spend hours memorizing long vocabulary lists. They learned 50 new words today, but after 1 week, they forget almost all of them. Do you know why? Because they learn the words, but they never use them. Words become powerful only when they become part of your daily conversations. For example, suppose you learn the word confident. Don't just memorize its meaning. Use it. Say, I want to become confident. My brother is very confident. I feel more confident today. Now that single word becomes a part of your speaking. The same rule applies to every new word. Whenever you learn a new word, challenge yourself to make at least 3 different sentences with it. This simple habit will improve your memory much faster than reading a dictionary. Remember this, your goal is not to collect words. Your goal is to use words, because English is not a memory game. It is a communication skill. Now let's move to another powerful secret. Secret number 4. Learn with your ears before your mouth. Think about a small child. Does a baby learn to speak first? No. A baby spends months only listening. Every day, every conversation, every sound. Only after listening thousands of times does the child begin speaking. Your English learning should follow the same process. Listen first, speak later. Every day, spend at least 15 or 20 minutes listening to English. Can be a podcast, can be a YouTube video, can be a short story, can even be your favorite movie. But don't listen passively, listen actively. Notice how native speakers connect words. Notice their pronunciation. Notice their expressions. Then pause the audio. Repeat the same sentence. Try to copy their speed, their rhythm, their pronunciation. This technique is called shadowing. And it is one of the fastest ways to improve spoken English. First, you may sound different. That's completely normal. Keep repeating. Little by little, your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your confidence grows, and speaking starts feeling natural. Now here's another important habit. Secret number 5. Don't chase perfection. Many students remain silent because they want every sentence to be perfect. They think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if I pronounce a word incorrectly? Let me ask you something. When a child learns to walk, does the child wait until every step is perfect? Of course not. The child walks, falls, gets up, walks again. That is exactly how language learning works. Every mistake teaches you something. Every correction makes you stronger. So never be afraid of speaking imperfect English. Imperfect English is always better than perfect silence. Remember, fluent speakers are not people who never make mistakes. They are people who never stop speaking. Now let's talk about something that can completely change your learning speed. Secret number 6. Create an English environment. You don't need to move to another country. You can create an English environment right inside your home. Start with small changes. Change your mobile phone language to English. Read headlines in English every morning. Watch one short English video every day. Write your shopping list in English. Think about your daily schedule in English. Label objects around your room. Mirror, door, window, bottle, chair. Every time you see them, read the English word. Slowly, English becomes a natural part of your surroundings. And when English becomes part of your environment, learning no longer feels like studying. It simply becomes your lifestyle. That's exactly what fluent speakers do. They don't study English only during class. They live with English every single day, and that is why they improve faster. In the next part, we'll discover the final secrets that help learners become fluent, including the perfect daily routine, how to stay motivated, and the biggest mindset shift that separates fluent English speakers from everyone else. Secret number 7. Read every single day. Now let's talk about another habit that every fluent English speaker follows. They read, not once a week, not only before an exam, they read something every single day. The good news is that you don't have to read difficult books. In fact, if you're a beginner, reading very difficult English can make you frustrated. Instead, start with simple English. Read short stories. Read easy news articles. Read children's books. Read motivational quotes. Even reading one page every day is enough. While reading, don't stop after every new word. First, try to understand the meaning from the sentence. Many times, your brain can guess the meaning without using a dictionary. Only look up words that are really important. This makes reading faster and much more enjoyable. The more you read, the more sentence patterns your brain remembers. Without realizing it, your grammar starts improving, your vocabulary becomes stronger, and your speaking becomes smoother. Reading is like feeding your brain. The more quality English you read, the better English you speak. Secret number 8. Build a daily English routine. Now let me share a simple routine that almost anyone can follow. You don't need 5 hours every day. You only need around 30 minutes of focused practice. Start your day with 5 minutes of thinking in English. Describe your morning. Talk about your plans. Then spend 10 minutes listening to English. Choose a short podcast or a YouTube lesson. After listening, repeat some sentences aloud. Next, spend 10 minutes reading something simple. Underline useful expressions. Finally, spend 5 minutes speaking. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Or practice in front of a mirror. This simple routine may look small, but if you follow it every day for a few months, your English will improve more than studying for hours only once a week. Remember, small daily efforts create big results. Secret number 9. Believe in yourself. There is one thing that is more powerful than grammar, more powerful than vocabulary, more powerful than pronunciation. I am improving every day. I am learning from my mistakes. I will become fluent. Positive thinking alone won't make you fluent, but positive thinking combined with daily action can completely change your future. Every fluent speaker once struggled. The difference is that they believed improvement was possible. You should believe that too, because your journey is different from everyone else's. Don't compare yourself with someone who has been learning English for 5 years. Compare yourself with who you were last month. If you know more words today, if you speak with more confidence today, if you understand more English today, then you are already making progress. And that's something to be proud of. Final message. My dear friends, becoming fluent in English is not about finding a magic trick. It is about following simple habits again and again. Learn a few new words every day. Use those words in real sentences. Listen carefully. Speak without fear. Read regularly. Think in English. Practice consistently. And most importantly, never stop learning. Some days will feel easy. Some days will feel difficult. But every single day you practice is taking you one step closer to your goal. One day you'll watch an English movie and understand it without subtitles. You'll speak confidently during an interview. You'll communicate with people from different countries. And then you'll remember the day you decided not to give up. That day will change your life. So don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is today. Start with one sentence, then another, because fluency is built one conversation at a time. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. If you continue practicing with patience, discipline, and confidence, I truly believe you will become a fluent English speaker. Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember, your confidence begins the moment you decide to speak. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care, stay positive, keep practicing, and keep speaking English every single day.